Hi there, welcome to www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at foreign exchange. So this is kind of following from maybe some stuff you've seen earlier on foreign exchange. This is more of a real life kind of scenario where you're exchanging money to go abroad and then you're bringing some money back and exchanging it back so you can spend it back in the UK. So here we've got an example of the exchange rate for pounds as £1 equals 1.12 euros. April goes on holiday and exchanges £1,750 into euros. She spends €1,280.45 on holiday and returns with the rest. When she returns, she wants to exchange the remaining money into pounds. How much would she get back to the nearest pound? Okay, so looking at this, what we're really doing is we're going to break it down into chunks. We don't want to tackle the whole thing head on, so we'll start at the beginning. It is in chronological order, so we're just going to go in the order that the kind of steps take us. So the first thing is the exchange rate is £1 is 1.12 euros, and April's exchanging £1,750. So step one would be to take the £1,750 and multiply that by the 1.12. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. 1750 multiply 1.12, that gives us €1,960. Okay, so when she goes abroad, she's taking abroad €1,960. It then tells us while she's abroad, she spends €1,280.45. So we're going to take that money and subtract that from the money she had. So the 1960 minus the 1280.45 gives us, let's just do that calculation, minus 1280.45, €679.55. Okay. The next step says when she returns, so that's how much she's returning with. She wants to exchange that into pounds so she can spend it back home. So the next step is to convert that back into pounds. Now we're using the same exchange right here. That won't always be the case. When you exchange money back, sometimes you get a lower rate of exchange for your money. So we'll just go with the same exchange rate with to and from here. So we're going to take the 679 euros and 55 cents. I'm going to see how many 1.12s fit into that, and that'll tell us how many pounds. For every 1.12 euros we have, we're going to get a pound. So we want to see how many 1.12 euros we have, which is a division calculation. So 697.55 divided by 1.12, that gives us 606 back into pounds here, pound and 74 pence. Okay, now that's to the nearest penny. But the question, I'm just reading that final line, so something people miss out. The question says, how much would she get to the nearest pound? That would be £607 to the nearest pound. So really important you make sure you go all the way to the end of the question. Always go back at the end and check that everything you've done everything the question asked for. So that's how foreign exchange works. Hopefully you found that useful. For our maths videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you did like the video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. And please remember to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a mathemagical day.